Hi everyone, let's try to solve the eighth problem on projections of planes. We have the question like this. A square lamina of 40 mm side rests on one of its sides on HP. The lamina makes 30 degree to HP and the side on which it rests makes 45 degree to VP. Draw its projections. It's a square lamina problem which is quite easy. So now let's try to draw it. We'll take the line to normal. We'll draw the XY line. So we'll write it out here. It should be in capital X, Y, VP and HP. Now this is a problem on square. We have to draw the square first. So we'll take the visible line. The square side is of 40 mm. So we'll take 40, enter, angle as minus 90. Again here, we'll keep it straight, 40, enter, enter. Then here, if you have the alignment indicator, you can directly go and complete the square. Or else you have to give the length as 40 and then continue. Now we'll project the line upwards. We'll take more than and we'll trim these lines. Now again we'll take the normal line to visible line and we'll draw the front view overlapping line. So now coming to the namings, I'll start from here. This one is A, B, C and D, and here this becomes A dash bracket B dash bracket close, and this becomes C dash bracket D dash bracket close. So we'll place it at the right positions that we need. So the measurement of the square is 40 mm. Now here we have the square of 40 mm, so it is tilted at an angle of 30 degrees with respect to VP. Now here I'll give the length as 40 itself and an angle as 30. Then we'll change the line to normal. As the length of the square is 40, so I have given the 40 mm. If you want, you can measure the distance like I'll show you. See here, this 40 itself. Okay. Now we'll project the lines out here. In this position till here I am going to draw it. From here till here we'll trim the lines. So the easiest method of doing this is trim it out and select this particular square and make it visible. And if you want the lines back, you can use the extend to next command out here, and here you can draw. If you want to show the projections, just by the normal line you can draw the projections. So just to avoid overlapping of the lines and missing of the points, I did it in that way. It's the easiest way. If you want, you can do that, or else you can do the previous method. C out here and D out here, and here this name, and here it is this, and the angle here it is 30 degree. Now this particular square, which is tilted at an angle of 30 degree with respect to HP, makes an angle of 45 degree with respect to VP. So here I'll make the position angle as I'll give it as 180 plus 45. So I want it here, this position. Now we'll measure the angle. You can see it gives you 45 degree. So we'll name it out. So A is here, B out here, C out here, and lastly D out here. We'll project the lines from here, the normal line. Point A from this position till here I have point A, and B is from here till this particular position. C is from here till here, and D from this particular position to this particular position. Now we'll change the line to visible. A to B, B to C, C to D, and back to A. So we'll name it out. Here we have A dash, here it is B dash, this one is C dash, and this is D dash. So we'll place it at our requirements. And this completes the problem on projections of square.